Recently, Google organized their annual event called Next 26. In the event, they have announced very interesting things. Today, we are looking into what are the different offerings by Google for us in 26 and what are their future plans. So, if you look at the editor's note here, you'll see agent, agent, agent everywhere. So basically, Google is offering all the things around agents. There is Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, there is Agentic Data Cloud, there is Agentic Defense System for security, and there is whole Agentic Task Force for enterprise and workspace users. Also, Google is investing high in TPUs, as we all know, and they have released two new TPUs or two new series of TPUs here. They are mainly emphasizing on their Gemini Enterprise Agentic platform. And if you have built any agent or if you are into the agent building things, then you will surely know that it is different to build agent for a single or a bunch of users, and it is totally a different game when you build it for production use case where there are thousands and hundreds of people are going to use the application. You need to see into a couple of things like building the agent, evaluation of the agent, scaling the infrastructure. You need to look how you will guard the agent against prompt injection and other things, and you need some optimization as well. So they have their ADK, Agent Development Kit, as we all know, and it is now available in Python, TypeScript, Go, Java. These 4 languages I guess are supported. They have new Agent Studio platform. I would like to show you that. There is a CES cloud.google.com. This is their CX Agent Studio. It's a platform where you can build and manage AI agents end to end and connect the AI agent, single AI agent, to multiple communication channel. Also natively it supports audio and images. So they are basically building an ecosystem for AI agents. They also have model context protocol, so you can connect any MCP into your agent system. They have shown many companies that have been using Gemini Enterprise platform in order to improve their decisions and their capabilities to understand information. The second thing interesting is they have their hypercomputer, AI hypercomputer. They have launched 2 new things, TPU-8T and TPU-8I, and they are very, very powerful. I have watched the keynote as well. They are really powerful. You can see, this, for example, this 8T uses a breakthrough interchip interconnection ICI technology to scale up to 9600 TPUs and 2 terabyte of shared high bandwidth memory. That's insane. Then GCP also is bullish on Data Cloud, which is agentic. So you have cross-cloud lakehouse, Lightning Engine for Apache Spark, Data Agent Kit, Knowledge Catalog, and Deep Research Agent for enterprise insight. So with this agent, you can talk to your high amount of data. And here are a couple of customers who are currently using it. Since all the things are going AI agent way, security is a big concern. And here where Google Cloud has provided AI enterprise thing which has security built in. So it has dark web intelligence, then threat hunting agent. It always runs on your cloud and see if there is something wrong. And then there is a detection engineering agent as well. So basically there is a agentic security ops that runs always on your GCP and make sure that nothing goes wrong. Then there is a whole lot of again AI based army that is securing your cloud, and there are again couple of companies using it. And basically GCP is bullish on agentic AI, and that's why they also have this agentic task force that does lots of things like shopping, food ordering, customer support, conversational agents, conversational insight, universal customer context, human like voice capabilities, and things like that, all built into this Gemini enterprise agent platform. Also, there are lots of other interesting things that Google Cloud is running into this next 26 and also offering them into the future. I highly recommend that you watch the video. I'll paste the link of the video in the description. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and if you do so, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.